If your business is online, one of the things that can help you make more sales and acquire more customers is a sales funnel. Sadly, a lot of small business owners cannot afford to own their own website or even purchase a sales funnel builder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel for your business without owning a website. So let's get into the video. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Peter Ayo, and on this channel I share practical marketing and sales videos and business resources that will help you make more sales, retain customers, and then acquire more customers. So if this sounds good to you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because every Thursday by 6 p.m. I drop new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by, and please do like this video and then share it to any business owner you know. So what should you expect from this video? In this video, I'm going to show you why you need a sales funnel for your business. I'm also going to show you what you need to fully optimize the sales funnel. It's not about setting up the sales funnel. There are systems you need to put in place to fully optimize the sales funnel. And the third part of this video, I'm going to show you where and how to create these sales funnels for your business. So why do you need a sales funnel? First, let's look at what a sales funnel is. Now, most of the times when small business owners hear of the word sales funnel, they get scared of it or maybe get to complicate matters. Now, think of a sales funnel as a step-by-step process where your customer gets to know about your product down to the point of where they buy your product or service. If you look at the picture in the screen of my laptop, a sales funnel is just a step-by-step process of people getting to be aware about your product and then developing interest in the product, taking decision in whichever product they want to buy, and actually taking action on buying and purchasing that product. That's it. Don't get things complicated. It's just people getting to know your product down to the point of people getting to buy your product and services. Now, the reason you need a sales funnel is because of visibility. A sales funnel or a web funnel gives you visibility, makes people get to see your product and services without actually owning a website. So now, what do you need to fully optimize this sales funnel? The first thing you need is a functioning business number. Now, a business number is very important because anybody that calls you through a business number, you actually know this is business. So you don't get to mix your private number with your business number. So if you don't have one, please try and get a business number for your business. The next thing you want to have is a WhatsApp business account. Now, this is very, very important. A lot of people will prefer to reach out to you on WhatsApp than calling you. So if your WhatsApp is not fully optimized to cater for new people, you will lose a lot of sales. So please watch the video I created on how to fully utilize the WhatsApp business account, how to make more sales using the WhatsApp business account. If you check the description of this video, I'm going to link that video. I'm going to drop the link there. If you also check the top right hand corner of your screen, I'm also going to link the video so that you can watch it. So please, you need to watch that video. It is fully packed and very practical. So go and watch that video. The next thing you want to have is an active social media presence. You need to understand that after people search for your product online, some of them will prefer to go on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok to search for your product and services. Now, if you don't have an active social media presence, if you don't have content surrounding your business and product, you you might lose that sale. So please brush up your social media presence and then make sure you put out content about your business. The next thing you want to have is new customer offers. In my WhatsApp marketing video, I made mention of this. The reason why you need new customer offers is to quickly convert people that come to you for either a product or a service. If you get at least 10 inquiries, make sure you convert 2 to 3 people with new customer offers. New customer offers might be discounts, it might be free delivery, a gift, whatever works for your business. Please have new customer offers. Number 5, product photos and descriptions. Now, one thing you need to have is your product photos and descriptions. At least make people understand what they actually will get when they buy from you. Please avoid a case scenario of what I ordered versus what they delivered. Try to make sure your product photos and descriptions are real. Make sure you deliver whatever you said you are going to deliver. So before we get into how and where you can set up the sales funnel, if you are enjoying the video and you are finding it very valuable, please take out your time and subscribe to the channel, and please share this video. I will really appreciate that you subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you so much. So where and how can you create this sales funnel? Now, I've listed out a couple of places you can put your business on. Since you don't have a website, you have to leverage on other people's website. So there are a lot of business directories and e-commerce sites that you can list your business on. So before I show you a couple of them, I want to quickly demonstrate how this works. Let's say I go to a new Google tab and then search for bags in Lagos. Let's drop it. I want you to pay attention to this. Now, as you can see, these are ads. So I don't think you have money to run ads. But the next thing you can see on this Google search is gg.ng. That means this is one of the places you can list your bag on if you sell bags in Lagos. Immediately after gg.ng, these are Google My Business accounts. As you can see, OK Bags, Banjo Victoria, GV Bags, Kamchi Bags. Now, you need to have a Google My Business account. I created a video on how to set up and verify your Google My Business account. So you want to check out that video and make sure you set up your Google My Business account. It helps a lot. In fact, it's one of the most important sales funnel for your business. So check the video description. I will leave the link in the description. So please just check it out. So the next thing is your Instagram. Remember I said people should optimize their social media accounts. See, this is ranking third on social media on the Google search, bags.lagos. So please also pay attention to your business page. Now we have Shop Mango, Jumia, O-Lists, finelip.com. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all this. Now, there are a couple of places you could list your business on. I've listed a lot of them here, and these are not all. There are loads of them. One thing you should notice is that these people spend money on ads. For example, Gigi, I know if you've come across Gigi ads on Instagram, they spend a lot of money. So that means if people are spending money to advertise their site, that means they're having a lot of traction. So please, you should go and list your businesses here. And these sites are also optimized for SEO. That means you're likely going to get people to visit your business and then buy from you. So I will list a couple of them. let's look at the first one. We have gg.ng. Now, gg.ng is one of the places I really love because it's very open and there are a lot of people using it. I think I can check for the statistics of people coming to this site. As you can see, in November alone, over 6.2 million people have visited this site. So that means there is traffic. People are visiting gg.ng. So you should go and list your business there. Another place you can list your business is webiste. One thing I love about webiste is that it's like an e-commerce store, but owned by Opera. You can sell anything on webiste. So just go and register, start selling. They are about, check for the inside, over 2.1 million people visit webiste every month, sorry. So see guys, a lot of people are visiting this site, so your business needs to be there. Go and register your business and create a source funnel for yourself. You don't have to have a website. Another place you can list your business is your author. This one is also very good. It's another e-commerce store or e-commerce site where you can list your business, and it's for Nigeria, and it has almost 2.4 million monthly visitors. So guys, you need to list your business, and most of the I tried registering here. Most of the registration process are very simple. They are very simple. The idea is to put your business where you can get free SEO and free traffic directly to either your WhatsApp number or your Instagram page, where people can reach out to you. Affiliate is also another place where you can sign up and create your own shop and create your own store. Now, the secret is to try and get your business at so many places so that people can easily reach out to you. But remember what I said, for you to be able to utilize this sales funnel, you need to have all these things. You need to have all these things. You need to have a functioning business number where people can reach out to you. Your WhatsApp account needs to be verified and needs to be optimized fully for new users. You need to have an active social media presence. You need to have new customer offers, and you need to have product photos and description. Another place where people go to search for fashion products, especially if you're in the fashion niche, is the Lagos Mall, which is Lac Mall. So you can come here, create your shop and list your products. Just come here, create your shop and list your product. Another place where you can list for service businesses, you can check finlib.com. This is just like a Nigerian directory and search engine where people search for product and services. So you can also come here and list. We have also businesslist.com. You can add your business here. So that's it. You just make sure you list your businesses in so many places as possible, and make sure you optimize that store so that people can directly reach you either with your business number or your WhatsApp business account. Those are two very important things you need to have in mind. Honestly, that's it guys. Thank you so much. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please turn on the notification bell because every Thursday I drop new videos. And for everything I've mentioned in this video, please read the description of this video. I'm going to drop every link you need to get you to these sites I've listed. And please don't forget to like this video and share it to every business owner you know. Please share the video, share the value I provide in this channel. Don't keep it to yourself. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and I'll see you in the next one.